आँखाको नीड खुसी लाने हृदयको तरंग छेडी जाने तिमीलाई के सजाय दिउँ के सधैँ.
Hey there, folks. Today, we're diving into the groove of Aakha Ko Need by Arun Thapa, dissecting its beats and rhythms to ensure we're hitting all the right notes. This song sits comfortably in the simple major scale, nestled snugly in the key of D. Now, let's break it down. The chord progression dances between the first, fourth, and fifth chords, with a sprinkle of the sixth chord thrown in for flavor. But here's the kicker. Some misguided souls out there insist on a 3-count beat, but trust me, that's a load of baloney. We're talking about the revered Dadra Taal, a rhythm born over 3 centuries ago, boasting a solid 6-count structure. So, if you're still nodding along to a 3-count, it's time to wake up and smell the musical coffee. Picture this, your guitar strings are your canvas, and we're painting with beats. With each downstroke and upstroke, we're crafting a masterpiece of rhythm. When you see T on the screen, that's your cue for a downbeat, played with the thumb. Then, I follows suit, swooping in with an index finger downstroke. It's a dance between up and down, creating a symphony of sound. Now, if you're more of a pick person, fear not. The strings are still your playground, divided neatly into 2 halves. So, whether you're strumming or picking, the rhythm remains the same. And remember, there's no rush here, let those strings sing out for the full duration, embracing every note. As we move through each beat, remember to keep pace with the song or this video, using the chords displayed on the screen as your trusty guide. It's a journey of discovery, a quest for musical enlightenment, and I'm thrilled to be your guide through it all. So, buckle up, grab your guitar, and let's ride the waves of Dadra Taal together. With each strum and pluck, we'll unlock the secrets of this timeless rhythm, one beat at a time. And hey, if you're vibing with the groove, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more musical adventures. Let's make some magic happen.
आँखाको नीड खुसी लाने हृदयको तरंग छेडी जाने तिमीलाई के सजाय दिउँ के सधैँलाई बाँधिदिउँ आँखाको नीड खुसी